too busy to reply to your customers, or do you have many customers to attend? Now I'm going to show you how you can how you can use the WhatsApp AI to respond to your customers and get a deal struck. Now, this is specifically for business users, business WhatsApp users. Click on your WhatsApp. Go to tools. Now, inside these tools, we have our normal greetings message. If I know some of us are using this, the greeting message. This one is for people that have not chatted you for long. When they chat you, this message will pop up. Or for people that are chatting you for the first time, what do you do when you click on greeting message? You on it, then you click on this button here to type what you want the WhatsApp to reply to the customer, the person to reply the person. You type in the message and click OK. You click on save. But this is not the main reason for this class. This one is just normal WhatsApp settings. There's this new feature that was added. If you have not updated your WhatsApp, better go and update your WhatsApp. You will see this feature. With this feature, you don't even need this once again. This one is if you are not around to reply somebody. You have been chatting with the person, but you are not active at the moment. When the person sends message, this one is going to reply the person. You also switch it on and click here to edit the message you want after you click OK. Now, this new feature is very fantastic, this business AI. You click on it. Now, by then, I know when you were registering for this or for your WhatsApp business, there were questions like your business name, categories, where you uploaded picture, and so many other things. Now, WhatsApp will be using those things, those hints you gave it when you were registering, when you were opening WhatsApp business for the first time. It's going to use it to reply customer. Now, when you read the first page, you click on next. You have to verify that you are the one setting it up. The thing is setting up. Okay, you can choose. It says here, show AI how you reply to customers in the past 6 months. Then the second option says, it may take a long for AI to learn how to respond to customers. So you choose any of the options, but the one I will choose is the recommended option. You click on next. Then you can now put your link, maybe your WhatsApp, or if you have a website, you add the website here. Now you can also change. Okay, just cross check here and click on next. In fact, there's nothing much hard here. All you have to be doing is next. You now click. You can choose bestseller. Just play around with this and click continue, or leave it on the main option. Click on continue. Now, these are those things you set in your WhatsApp when you are opening it for the first time. Your AI new knowledge. Just be clicking next. If you want your AI to present those pictures you uploaded when you were opening your WhatsApp, if you want it to upload it to have it so that when your customer requests for images, it can send it to the person. You select them and click on save. And that is it. You click on skip. Now here is it's kind of a review to you. You can click on this and read and what it's talking about. can review your checklist, or you can just simply go back. Now, how do you use this? This thing is very fantastic. Go back to your chat. If anybody is chatting you, all you have to do is click on the message. Now, just like this person, immediately it has responded to this person. The person just sent me a message. Now, mistake, AI research. It just automatically replied the person. No problem, it's great. Now, if you want to interrupt the AI and respond manually, you click on respond manually here and respond to the person. And the funny part of this thing is it's listen to voice note as well. So if somebody send you a message, a voice note message, and the person spoke English, there is going to reply the person. If the person speak any universal language, it is going to listen to that voice note and respond to that person with text. Now, if there's any chat that you wouldn't want the AI to respond, you can simply look at the icon here. You click on it and off it or on it. So you have the choice to off and on. It will be replying to people for you. I think that's it. Very fantastic. I used it last night. Somebody chatted me up and I was busy, so I on the AI for the person, and the person was being, look at the chat here. The person was being entertained by my AI. It started here. I just turn on the chats, AI chat. It started responding to the person. Listen to voice note and also reply. Like and subscribe to my channel. You'll be learning tips, tech skills, learn how to design with CorelDRAW, Pixel Lab, and also computer related stuff.